This is a brief overview of the Cribl Search Pack for Kubernetes. The Cribl Search Pack for Kubernetes comes with 20 saved searches across two data categories, 10 for Prometheus metrics and 10 for Kubernetes logs. These searches explore your log data to help monitor the health and status of your Kubernetes environment. The searches are turned off by default to prevent an unknowing Cribl admin from installing something that begins to consume resources without them knowing. You must turn on the searches you want to utilize in the pack. First, navigate over to the documentation and have a look at what the searches do. This will provide you a list of all 20 searches, their functionality, and why they matter. Once you have selected the searches you want to activate, look further down in the documentation for instructions on how to schedule them, as well as set up meaningful alerts for when certain thresholds are hit. Now let's take a look at a few examples of the searches and how they reference fields. The field names used in these searches are default names applied by Kubernetes after ingesting them via the Cribl Edge agent. While utilizing Cribl Edge to ingest Kubernetes logs and metrics is a better practice, if you have another method you're using to ingest, as long as the field names are extracted normally, the searches will work. It is important to note that every environment is different, and thus some of these fields may need to be augmented in the search strings themselves. If so, please reference the documentation of the pack to clone the search and augment it as needed. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact Brett Schall on Cribl's community Slack. Happy searching.